ecosystem, and he is always accessible to all candidates. Apart from this, our mock interview sir, Bhattacharya sir, and our director sir, he has been great inspiration to me especially, because I remember on 26th of April, my Indian Forest Service final result came, but I was not qualified in that. And in the coming week, I had a mock interview there. I was such depressed that I was not able to speak anything. Then there, sir and Bhattacharya sir had guided me a lot and inspired me that your journey has not ended. And that inspiration was something which was new energy to me. And that's why I scored good marks in the interview and finally made into the list. Apart from this, the candidates and aspirants from the RCA and from students from Jamia Millia Islamia, one thing I wanted to make you sure and confident is that when you are working hard and following your heart, I think you will not be able to lose anything, because at the end of the day, it is you who decide the destiny. And I think that your hard work pays at the end of the day. So never stop doing the hard work, because this is the thing which no one will take from you. This is because your parents, your teachers, and your friends only can motivate you. And in that respect, I think my parents who are present there, fortunately today, they have made a lot of sacrifices for me, in spite of their... My father got retired in 2014, and that was high time for me for civil service examination. Because in that year, I appeared for an interview, but could not make it in the list. But next year, I could not make it in the mains, and in the PT, I was again failure in the next year. But from rising from that ashes to this success, the credit goes to my parents and one of my friends who is not present today, unfortunately. So, students and my dear friends, the thing I wanted to tell you is that follow your dream, follow your heart, and you will make the success today or tomorrow or day after tomorrow, because journey never ends. So at the end, I wanted to say that चले चलिए कि चलना ही दलीले कामरानी है, जो हार कर बैठ जाते हैं वो मंजिल को नहीं पाते. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, Arif, for those inspiring words. I now request Mr. Suhail Qasim Mir to share some insights, please.
The Honorable Governor of Manipur and Chancellor of Jamia Millia Islamia, Dr. Najma Hepatullah, esteemed Vice Chancellor, Dr. Talad Ahmed, dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, dear friends, a very good and warm afternoon to all of you. Last time when there was the felicitation ceremony for selected UPSC candidates by the Residential Coaching Academy of Jamia Millia Islamia, I was sitting in the midst of one such gathering. And as the students, one after another, were coming and receiving their felicitation certificates, I had a deep yearning in my heart to be among them. At that point of time, I was experiencing a passion inside me, and over the period of time, I sustained that passion and hunger to be in the finalist of Civil Service Examination 2016. But I have to acknowledge one thing. My success in the Civil Service Examination, it has not entirely been my individual effort. There are many stakeholders, there are many contributors to it. And I think the most important contributor is this institute, Jamia Millia Islamia. After doing graduation from Strive Town, Kashmir, I came to Jamia in the year 2012 to do my MBA here. And ever since, actually, I'm here. And in Jamia, I had enriching learning experience. But more than that, I actually began to dream here. In the sense, I met people, I met professors, faculty members, students, and I could see that they were harboring bigger dreams, ambitions, and aspirations. So that was contagious. And it was at that point of time, I began to think big. And it was then that I decided that that I have to be a civil servant. So for that, I again don't have to go anywhere outside. I joined the Residential Coaching Academy of Jamia Millia Islamia. In the times when the UPSC preparation has become a commercial industry, Residential Coaching Academy, the results of which they have been unparalleled. This year only we have 29 selections and the results speak for themselves. So, if I talk about my experiences in RCA, they have been outstanding, and I believe that for any aspirant to qualify the civil service examination, there are two important prerequisites. One is belief in yourself that you can do it, and another thing is the guidance, the strategy, that how you have to go about it, how you will do it. So I think Academy provided me both the things. The Deputy Director, Tariq sir, time and again kept on telling me that you have the potential, you can do it. So this instilled faith in me, the reassurance of the faculty members that yes, I can do it. So eventually I began to believe in myself that yes, I can do it. So that was one thing, and as far as the guidance is concerned, there are regular classes, lectures by the experts, and the facilities over there, the environment over there, that's conducive and apt for the UPSC preparation. Besides that, overall it has been doing a wonderful job. I mean, people who come from the lower rungs of the society, RCA is a platform for them to actually go to the elite bureaucracy of the country, the IAS, IPS, IFS, and it has been doing a wonderful job, and it will continue to do so. And we expect more success in the future. And as far as